Hey guys, good morning. It's day 3 of our Christmas in July and we are having such a good time with you. We've had so much fun. We've moved our five yards for $48 in store, and oh my goodness, every one of you is loving it. So remember, we're going to be bringing more fabrics into the mix with that. So we have some new feature fabrics. They'll be online today as well. You'll be able to see that. And I wanted to share with you a really special line of Christmas that we have in here today. This is called Christmas Village, and this is the panel right here. It is so sweet. You know what? It's unexpected. It has that winter look to it. I mean, I love these houses, which who doesn't love decorating those, having the lights on your houses? Aren't those pretty? And just all those little finishing touches that they put on these little houses and even on the lamp posts. And then you've got the birds and the snowman. I just love this. One thing you're not seeing, and I'm going to pull this fabric over here so you can see it, is there's a little truck down here, and he's got the Christmas tree for the house, and it's got a little street. So this is a great panel that you can have all winter long, which I love that. I love to have something that I can keep out all winter long, whether it's going to be a throw, because this is a really nice size panel, or if I'm going to keep it, you know, on my wall, because it's also good for a wall hanging as well. So we're going to have this panel at 15% off, and it is a $13 panel. So that means that's a yard of fabric right there. So that's really easy to figure out, and you can kind of figure out your sizing. It's going to be 36 by 44 inches already. So if you wanted to add borders to that, this is the perfect one to do that with. And we have coordinating fabrics to go with this. So we're going to just zoom down here so you can see how pretty these coordinating fabrics are. They're so sweet. We've got the red, we've got the presents, we even got those little houses. Sorry, I'm kind of scrambling around. I'm sorry. I get excited about the fabrics. So they're just so beautiful. This is called Christmas Village. We also have a 10-inch square pack that we're featuring. And what that means is if we do a feature like this, we're going to give you 15% off on it. So you're going to get 15% off on the 10-inch square pack as well. That is a $46 value, and you'll get 10% or 15% off that. So keep that in mind as you're shopping, knowing that Christmas is obviously in December, but it's in the store now. And if you think of it like that and say, you know what, if I want that, I probably should get it. And I would recommend that you do. You can call us and we can help you with that. It's 269-383-1790. And you can also purchase the panel online, but I'd recommend that you just give us a call and we'll have it for you. We'll take your credit card information and things like that. So join us now as we share some more specials here in store.
Hi everyone, Amber here. I have got a new product that I am so excited about. The other day we had a retreat in the store, and one of our customers, Kyla, was making a bag, and she got this little gadget out, or I should say tool, because it is a tool, and I'd never seen it before. It's called a Zipper Jig. This is what it looks like. Julie's aiming right down at it. It has a couple little prongs, and the prongs are for your zipper pulls. Now it has three sizes it'll work with. On right here is a number 3, which is a small zipper. That's the kind that we sell by the inch. It has a narrower zipper tape than a purse zipper does. It's a number 3. The other ones we sell are 4.5s. These are the zippers by Annie, and they have a nice big zipper pull and a wide tape. And the third kind of zipper we have is this one that has the really pretty rainbow feature on the teeth. The teeth look like they're metal, but they're not. They are nylon. We're featuring that in one of the bags that we've got on display. That too is made by one of our customers. Her name is Wendy. And I now want to show you some zipper pulls that have come in. These are for the number 5 zippers. I'm going to lay them down here. This guy is so cute. He is a little sewing machine, antique sewing machine. Then we also have the really cute heart zipper pull. And now I'm going to show you how to put the zipper on the zipper pull. I'm going to show you how to put this zipper on the zipper pull by using this cute little heart. Now, a zipper pull has two sides. One side has 2 holes, and the other side has 1 hole. I'm going to put it backwards in the zipper jig, and it just fits right down in there. And see the 2 holes are on the top? I'm going to take my zipper. I've got it backwards because I'm focusing on the back of the zipper pull. I'm going to angle these in at the same time, just get them lined up, and I'm going to pull. And look at that. Zipper pull installed in no time flat. Come see us at Quilts Plus. I'll give you an up-close and personal demo. And, oh, sorry about that. I forgot to tell you how much it costs. It's $16. And our cute zipper pulls are $2.50 each. Come and see us. I'll give you a personal demo so you can see it up close. And we'd love to sell one to you. Have a great day.
Hey guys, isn't that zipper jig super cute? I think it's wonderful. Amber does a really good job with demoing that, and you're going to be able to use that with your bags. And I just love being able to be inspired by something that's a nice shortcut tool that really works for me. So call us for that. And then one more thing. I know we have a lot of things, but I want to share this for today as well. We are offering 15% all of our backing fabrics. That's a 108 wide fabric, and I'm standing in front of them so you can kind of get a visual picture of what they look like. This is an in-store deal, and you are welcome to come in and get that here. Now, if you want to call us over the phone, you can do that as well at 269-383-1790, and we can figure out what you need for your backings. Again, backing is 15% off. All backings today. That's our special deal for in-store. So we are excited to see you. Again, we've had a lot of fun. You guys have been coming back and visiting us, and we love connecting with you. So again, we're open 10 to 5 Monday through Friday, Saturday 10 to 3. We look forward to hearing from you. Come on in.